principal, teachers, parents and guardians. I am Kavya.
And myself, Nitanta.
And we are here
And
today
to welcome you all in the Ramailo Assembly of Grade 7 2079. Kavya, don't you think that we should start the program with some respect to our nation?
Great idea. It would be awesome if our school's orchestra group plays it for us.
Orchestra? I've never heard of it before. Would you mind explaining?
Sure, I'd love to. Orchestra is a group of musicians performing together, especially string players organized to perform ensemble music.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Now let's welcome our school's orchestra group for the National Anthem.
We request everyone present in this event to stand up from their seats to show respect to our national anthem.